Hi, I'm Michael Lim, Director of Digital Supply Chain for Oracle ASEAN and North Asia. Like other markets, we all share similar challenges in supply chains, and one of these is how do we unify multiple systems into a single platform, including our partners, so we have better visibility and can collaborate more effectively. Let's hear from Pravaka Porsam, Chief Information Officer in Mumbai, as he shares with us the Innovation in Motion project at global logistics company Transworld.
My name is Prabhakar Posum, CIO Transfer Group. I'm responsible for digital transformation across the group companies. Our company is into end-to-end logistics services. Our presence is in 11 countries and we have partners across the world. Innovation Motion is started in 2018. This project leverages technology-enabled solutions, customer connect, e-platforms, real-time information, improved business processes, and digital interfaces. We have 22 plus entities coming together and working on a new technologies. We are using Oracle products in all part of the businesses. These products have really improved our employees' productivity and improved our decision making and the visibility. This pandemic has enforced us to evolve our operating system and be paperless and dependency to operate from office. For day one, our offices were closed, but employees were connected. And this was possible because of adoption of cloud. The bold decision what we took in 2018, where we said the entire organization operationally or financially should be on cloud after the pandemics. Digital technologies in this industry will be front-ending the businesses. And that's the way to operate. People are connecting, people are building e-commerce sites, they are getting into blockchain platforms, they are building analytics, and they are moving on clouds. So all these technologies which were actually only discussed before this pandemic, and now people have realized the importance of these technologies. IoT is playing a key role where we are able to give visibility to the customers and our operating team, where they are able to track our goods and transportation services, and they are able to connect and tell customers. We are digitally connecting through our ER. We are giving them updates on even on WhatsApp of their status of their shipments. Customers are today very happy because they are getting updated. Our drivers are using mobile apps today, where the shipments are sent to them through the mobile app. They are accepting the shipments. They are being tracked using the IoT platform, and all their settlements are done based on this. When we started this journey with Oracle and the partners, we realized we have one of the most complex uh, thing to be done on Oracle Cloud. So what today we have done is all companies are on a financial platform. Our majority of the companies are on operating platform with multiple product configured on cloud. This is one of the biggest challenge uh, in last 2 years. Think digital is the new term what we introduce. Everything what we talk today is the digital cloud and uh, technologies like blockchain, technologies like IoT. We know these are going to be a future. We just don't have a logistics services. We are a company with the logistics and technology, and we are going to offer you technology solutions which will help to improve your business and save your costs. That's our offering to our customers, and that is changing our life as well as customers' life.